Scorer's history, everyone. With the final score, Mater Dei 6, Oaks Christian nothing.
Okay, here we are with Oaks Christian coach Tim Penfrazy. The team lost 6-0 in the championship game to Mater Dei, but a great performance just to get to the final, the smallest school in the whole tournament, and all the way to the South Final. What did you think, Coach?
No, I think I'm really proud of my guys. I'm really proud of everything they did. We had a great tournament. Our pitching staff did a great job. Our hitters came through. Mater Dei is a great school, and I'm really proud of everything that we've done this weekend.